Depending on the type of desking software that's used at your dealership, you may or may not be required to push the opportunity to the DMS, so let me explain what that means. Desking is the process where, typically a sales manager, works the number on a deal, and in order to have the most accurate result, they require all the information found in your sales opportunity. Pushing that data from DealerSocket to another program is what this step is all about. This one is really simple. All you need to do is click on Post to DMS, and that's it. You will find your deal number as a line item in your work notes. Now all that's left is for you to excuse yourself and go see your sales manager.